Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will cover basics of bond valuation. Let's look at what will you learn from this lecture. First of all, you will learn key features of a bond issue. Secondly, you will learn how to find out the value of a zero coupon bond. Then you will learn how to find out the value of a coupon bond. And finally, you will learn how to compute the yield to maturity of a bond. Yield to maturity of a bond is its rate of return. Let's look at the key features of bond. A bond is a kind of fixed income instrument. It is a promissory note that specifies exactly the future cash flows it will pay to its investors. A bond is an alternative of long-term bank loan for the companies or for the issuers. So when people invest in a bond, they become the lenders, and the companies who issue the bond, they become the borrowers. Let's look at the cash flows of bond. Bonds usually pays two types of cash flows. First of all, the principal, which is paid at maturity. So this is the amount which is returned to the bondholders at maturity. Face value of the most bond in USA is $1,000, and it is normally 1 lakh taka in Bangladesh. Secondly, bond provides periodic cash flows, which is known as coupon. Coupon is a percentage of face value, and coupons are usually paid semi-annually. Now we'll learn zero coupon bond valuation. A zero coupon bond does not pay any coupon to its investors. Its only payment is its face value at maturity to its investors. And zero coupon bonds are sold at discount. So to find out the value of a zero coupon bond, we need to find out the discounted value of its face value. The formula to find out zero coupon bond is equal to face value, which is denoted by FT, divided by 1 plus R. R denotes required rate of return to the power T. T denotes times to maturity, or number of periods to maturity. Let's look at an example of zero coupon bond valuation. Over here, the face value of this zero coupon bond is $1,000. Its required rate of return is 10%. So the bond will not pay any cash flows before year 5, and in year 5 it will pay its face value, which is $1,000. So based on the formula, value of this bond is $620.92. Now let's look at coupon bonds. Coupon bonds usually make periodic payments, which are known as coupon. The coupon rate is expressed as percentage of face value. And remember that coupons are not the interest payment of the bond. Coupon simply specifies or simply indicates the cash flows of the bond. Value of this zero coupon bond is equal to, or to find out the value of this zero coupon bond, we can use this formula over here. C represents coupon payments, R is the required rate of return, and FT indicates face value of the bond. Let's look at an example of coupon bond valuation. Over here, the face value of this bond is $1,000. Coupon payment is $60. So coupon payment is equal to face value into coupon rate. Over here, the face value of this bond is 1,000 and coupon rate is 6%. So coupon payment is equal to $60. Required rate of return of this bond is 10%. The bond will mature after 5 years. So over the year, the bond will pay 5 coupon payments, which is $60. And in year 5, the bond will pay final coupon payment, $60, and its face value, $1,000. So in year 5, total cash flows of the bond will be $1,060. So using this formula, we can find out the value of this bond, which is $848.37. Now we look at how to find out semi-annual coupon bond. How to find out the value of a semi-annual coupon bond. So if the bond pays coupon semi-annually, we need to convert its coupon payment. In this case, if the bond pays coupon semi-annually, we need to divide coupon rate by 2. So in this case, the coupon payment of this bond is equal to $30. And there will be 10 coupon payments. The bond will mature after 5 years. So in 5 years, the bond will pay 10 coupon payments. In the meantime, required rate of return of this bond is also required to be divided by 2. So required rate of return of this bond for the semi-annual bond will be 5%. So using the bond valuation formula, the value of the semi-annual coupon bond is equal to $845.56. Now we learn how to find out yield to maturity of the bond. Yield to maturity is simply the internal rate of return that you will earn on the bond. Or if we say differently, it is simply the discount rate that sets the current price of the bond to its present value if all the promised cash flows of the bonds paid to the investors. So yield to maturity is equal to single interest rate that sets the price equal to the present value. Let's look at the example to find out yield to maturity of a bond. Over here, the face value of the bond is equal to $1,000. So using 10% coupon rate, coupon payment of the bond is $100. Then face value of this bond is $1,000, and the current market price or value of this bond is $1,200. So if we can find out the R of this bond, we'll be able to find out the yield to maturity, that means the rate of return of this bond. So if we solve the R, the yield to maturity of this bond is 4.43%. We'll learn more about calculation of yield to maturity and bond valuation in Excel. Let's look at the summary, what we have learned. First of all, we have learned the key features of a bond issue. Bond usually have two types of cash flows, which is its face value and coupon payments. Then we have learned how to find out value of a zero coupon bond. A zero coupon bond does not pay any coupon payments, so its value is simply the discounted value of its face value. Then we have learned how to find out the value of a coupon bond. The value of a coupon bond is discounted value of its coupon payments and face value. And finally, we have learned how to find out yield to maturity of a bond. Yield to maturity of a bond is its rate of return if all coupon payments and the face value is paid to the maturity, and if the bond is held until maturity. In our next lecture, we'll cover bond valuation and yield to maturity in Excel and money market instruments.